Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you guys a app that you can scan receipts to get your money back, and they're gonna give you gift cards or whatever you want. So first you're gonna install this app called Fetch Reward. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you guys can go check it out, and I'm gonna also leave the link on the description. Okay, so now there is the app. As you can see guys, I have 1000 points, and with these points you can get gift cards. You can use this button, the camera, to scan your receipt, and they're gonna give you points for them. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can redeem them. So we're gonna go to rewards. Okay, so now you can choose a category for gift cards. So for example, I'm gonna take electronics, and then you can see all the electronics gift cards. Every 1000 points you go to $1. So for example, for a $5 gift card you need to have 5000 points. And to get points, you guys are gonna go use my code. Make sure you guys use this code, because this code is gonna give you 2000 points. Okay, so make sure you guys go use it. And yes, so install this app and it's gonna give you money back for your receipts. Thanks for watching.
I gave you my heart.